In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer PMA tokens from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. So first of all, we need to go to the bridge.pumapay.io. Here you will be asked to connect MetaMask to the bridge. Click Next, and then click Connect. And now you can see here in Ethereum, I have a balance of 25,000 PMA tokens, which I'm going to transfer to Binance Smart Chain. Please note, you do need to have some Ether balance in order to cover the gas costs. Click Transfer. I click here to confirm the transaction. Now, I need to confirm it on MetaMask. We are now waiting for the block confirmation. We need to wait 8 blocks. 8 blocks is approximately 2 minutes, so now the validators are verifying the transaction. And we will soon have the PMA tokens on the other side. The transfer is now complete. I get a success message and I can see that on Ethereum. I have a balance of 0 PMA tokens, and on Binance Smart Chain, I have a balance of 25,000 PMA tokens, less the fee I paid. I can verify that on MetaMask on Ethereum. I have 0 PMA tokens, but if I switch to Binance Smart Chain, I have my balance here.